Everybody. So we are again over here for our online bio class and we are continuing with the lesson tissue again. If you remember, in our prior class we have already completed all the types of plant tissue and now we are in a position to understand about animal tissue. Now, as we have discussed in our prior classes, that because in the difference in the feeding habit of animal and plant, there is a huge difference in the kind, the structure and the function of these animal tissues when compared to plant tissue. तो यहाँ पे एनिमल टिश्यू में द टू टाइप्स ऑफ द टिश्यू इज नॉट dependent on the growth regions which are demarcated in the plant tissue, but over here the growth do not have any specific demarcated region, but it takes place all around the body. So the animal tissues are basically being differentiated into these types as per the function and location in the body. For example, the animal tissue which are involved in protection of the body by covering the complete organism or the different glands or organs present in the body are known to be epithelial tissue. EPI ये एपिडर्मिस में भी इस्तेमाल हुआ था. तो यहाँ पे एपी का मतलब है आउटर लेयर. सो एपिथेलियल टिश्यू इज द आउटर लेयर विच इज हेल्पिंग इन द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म बाय कवरिंग इट. इसके सारे टाइप्स हम पढ़ेंगे आगे. Then we need to understand the animal tissue which basically will help in movement and locomotion. तो यहाँ पे हम skeletal tissue की भी बात पढ़ेंगे 11th क्लास में, सीनियर क्लास में. अभी के लिए मूवमेंट के टिश्यू में हम सिर्फ मस्कुलर टिश्यू को पढ़ने वाले हैं. इन मस्कुलर टिश्यू वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ all the different types, which of them are voluntary, which of them are involuntary. We will discuss a stretch about it. Then we will try to understand those kinds of tissues which are binding, supporting and transporting important useful things into the whole body of the organism. In a way it is connecting the whole body. इसी connective tissue को depending whether it is of having a fluid matrix or it is having a solid matrix, we are going to divide into so many types over here. Finally, we will come to the last but not the least, the tissue responsible for control and coordination in the body, which will be known as nervous tissue. तो इस टिश्यू के लर्निंग को हम शुरुआत करेंगे from the epithelial tissue, that is the tissue which is present or which has the cells, constitutes the cells which are covering the whole body or the different parts of the body, the organs, the glands and everything. Let us talk about epithelial tissue first of all. So when we talk of epithelial tissue, as we know, its basic function is to help for the protection of the organism. So depending where organism is protecting, exactly where this organism is trying to protect the organ, it will be divided into different and various types. ये जो एपिथेलियल टिश्यू है ये कवर करेगा बॉडी सरफेस को एज एन आउटर लेयर ऑफ स्किन एंड इट विल try to protect the underlying tissues from mechanical injury or drying up or entry of the germs. Each epithelial form inner lining of